महेश केंकरे.
महेश बाबा, आज तुम्ही सगळे मेळ्ळे, हिंगा येयले, एकठांय जाले, विजय बाबाक मेळ्ळे, कितें आहलें?
एक्चुअली आमचो इश्यू आशिल्लो तो कोमदात all over Goa for the different problem they are facing. There are around 235 komdats all over Goa, and some are in around 75-85 are in North Goa, North Zone. Then South Zone there are another 75, and some 50 around 50 in Central Zone. Now they are, each one is governed by head called administrator and Iskriwa, who are basically seeing the day-to-day affairs on permanent basis. And then there is a committee which gets appointed every 3 years to run the affairs. But basically it is Iskriwa and administrator who take care of this body, which is more than 1,000 years old, it seems, which is being taken care. Now our main problem is non-appointment of permanent administrator and lack of competent staff, that too very limited staff which is there, because one Iskriwa is looking after 10 to 15 komdats, which is not possible, and they cannot give justice to even single komdat. So we wanted a permanent administrator plus acting secretary, followed by these Iskriwas or the clerks who can take care maximum 3 to 5 komdats. One main komdat which is financially strong, and remaining 4 around, wherein that main komdat can finance the appointment of the one staff which can take care of the day-to-day administrative work. Second is our shareholders. Actually this komdat is owned by something called shareholders and gaonkars, similar to corporate bodies. Gaonkars are hierarchical, male hierarchical, and shareholders anybody can own. Now this shareholding is different for each komdat. Some Velim has 42,000, whereas Kolim in Mapsa has got hardly 150 shares. But then they own. There are some komdats which are having gaonkar as well as shareholders. There are komdats having only shareholders. There are komdats having only gaonkar. But then it is managed by them. It is owned by them body. Now what we wanted, there is no proper record on shareholders list, gaonkar list. So we want to digitize it, because there is another big problem faced by the common shareholders in transfer, issue of share certificate. The cost has gone very high. Suppose one person has got 100 shares. If he wants to transfer and split up the shares, he ends up paying 50,000 at the rate of 500 rupees, which is phenomenal. To control this, digitization is a absolutely easy process, wherein once digitization is there, the records will be transparent totally, and anytime one can have access to the ownership and all that, whereas this is not possible at present. Secondly, then the third point comes land records. Now, each komdat has its own land area, but no proper records have been maintained. If the same again is digitized and classified into agriculture property, non-agriculture property, orchard, litigated area, non-litigated area, forest area, then it will be transparent as to they can have their master plan. Each komdat can have master plan, Baba, what we can do and what we need to do, that can be decided. This is in a nutshell what we want government to support us.
So you all met Vijay Sardesak मेळ्ळे, तुम्ही कितें सांगले तुमी ताका?
ताका हेच सांगलें आमी की बाबा आमचो
एक पॉयंट विशय
सांगले की बाबा हे आमचे जे इश्यू आसा, wherein our transparency is totally lacking. कोणाकूच कांय खबर ना कोमदातीन कितें आसा. Secondly कितें आहा, shareholder 80% are sleeping because nobody gets proper information. आता कितें आसा, समज म्हज्या बापायचे शेअर समज म्हाका कळत ना, ताका 1 वर्स लागता कळपाक, आनी 2 वर्सां लागता ताका प्रोसेस करपाक. Process is very simple. आता हांव तुका सांगता, सेंट्रल जोनान there are some shares which are pending for transfer with all documentary for 10 years. Can you imagine? In North Zone there are shares pending of government director and post धरलेले तांचे 5 वर्सां 6 वर्सां pending आसा. For no reason at all. All documentation is proper. All hierarchical relation is established. कोणाकूच ना म्हणटा आमकां हो ना तो ना, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आसल्यार सेक्रेटरी ना, सेक्रेटरी आसल्यार क्लार्क ना. Ultimately what is happening is Komdat is going to dogs, because Komdat is represented by the shareholder. The shareholdeराकूच जर आपली ओनरशिप मेळना, तो जाणा आपले बापायचे शेअर म्हणून, बट until his name appears he cannot play any role. So it is represented by, now it has become a coterie. एक समज 600 शेअर्स आसा शेअर होल्डर्स अँड 4000 शेअर्स आसा तातले 100 जाण अटेंड करता 25 जाण मॅनिपुलेट करता वेरीन रिमेनिंग नो बडी नोज वॉट इज डन नो ट्रान्सपरन्सी एक्चुअली कोड ऑफ कुमदाद इज क्लियर इन ऑल एक्टिविटीज दे हॅव टू मेंटेन रिपोर्ट
विजयान कितें सांगला तुमकां आतां
विजयान म्हणलें हें तुमचें आपल्याक इन नटशेल आमकां सारको तुजो सिस्टमॅटिकली तुजे निड्स आसा न्ही तुमचे ते इन अ नटशेल आमकां दी I will present it and I will fight it out.
Assembly
Assembly, of course. That is because the assembly is due now. That is the reason we have come and met him to enlighten him. Baba, आमचे position कितें जालां तें.
Okay.
Basically, we ourselves are in the dark because of non-transparency.
So this is overall Goa you are talking about.
Yeah. All the
different communities.
Of different communities.
Yeah.
आमचे आता कितें आहा आमी for 3 months back we formed a group called Justica para Comunidad.
Justice for
Comunidad. Now justice is you. I mean justice. We are not accusing any party, any government, nothing. We are just asking Baba, be a supporter in our own cause. Be a supporter in our own cause, and that is for benefit of the Comunidad and overall Goa. Because mostly 99% of all the Gaonkar for sure are Goans, and shareholders even at present stage more than 95% are ethnic Goans. So whoever who is going to benefit out of this transparency is nobody other than actual Goan. That is our objective.
Yeah, thank you.